So we're looking at dividing p of x by g of x and finding the quotient and remainder. So very first thing to do with any of division is to write it in standard form and add zeros where required. So p of x, first is look at the highest power term, so 1x to the power of 4, next is cube, next is square term, next is to the power of 1 and the constant. We have g of x to be equal to minus 1x square plus 0x, is it not? Because square is the highest term and the negative, it's a negative term, so you can't neglect that. It's a negative term, so it has to be negative. Then we have the linear term and then the constant term. Okay, then we are looking at rough space and the division itself. Okay, so we're going to write the divisor, then make space for the dividend. I'm just copying, right? Maths is mostly about copying it, right? I mean, you guys are good at copying, is it not? Copying notes, that's what I meant, not the other way around, right? You just have to copy. Pretty much most of the maths part is to copy and just add zeros and ones, and it's not a big deal. All you have to know is the basics math, which I've taught, and conceptually all of this is kind of not, I mean, and I'm sure you understand all of this. It's just that you need the discipline and basic math, and you're done with maths. So we have 1x to the power of 4 divided by 1x square. So if you want to do it in the rough space, we can always do so. Minus 1x square. So plus divided by minus is minus, and this results in x square. So minus x square. So minus x square, and all of this will give you plus 1x to the power of 4. 0 into something is 0 itself. Doesn't matter. Plus of minus is minus. 2 into 1 is, right, this is by default 1 now, 2x square. Next we have draw the line and yes, change the sign. If you don't tell it out loud, that's okay, at least tell it in your head. We don't tell it in heart actually, heart just pumps blood. So plus 2x square is plus 2x square minus 5x plus 6, right? So I skipped the 0 part altogether because it's 0. 0 plus or minus of anything is 0, so it's okay to skip it, right? So next, your new dividend is this, dividend is this, and the divisor is that. So 2x square minus 1x square is plus 2x square minus 1x square, plus of minus is minus, 2 divided by 1 is 2, and this is 1. So we have minus 2. Minus 2 into all of this will be plus 2x square. 0 into this is 0x, right? And this is plus of minus is minus, 2 into 2 is 4. So we have to draw a line and yes, change the sign. Actually 0 will not matter, but anyways, I wrote it off. Gets cancelled and we have minus 5x plus 10, right? And now the degree of the new dividend is less than the divisor, so we stop the process of dividing and we write therefore the remainder is minus 5x plus 10, while the quotient is minus 1x square plus 0x minus 2. Okay, so let's verify this as usual with our code. Let's execute. I have the p of x and q of x over here. So the degree is 4, divisor's degree is 2. We have 1, amazing 0, 0, minus 5 and 6. Then we have minus 1, 0 and 2. I hope I didn't type anything wrong. We have minus 5 and 10 as the reminder. Minus 5 and 10 looks good. And this will be generally correct. Minus 1, 0 and 2. Minus 1, 0 and minus 2. Looks right. So we got the division. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification and calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. There are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.